Hi guys, so today I'm unboxing this Amazfit GTS 2 mini. I got this as a gift and I feel so great about this watch. It's just one more thing pushing me to be better this year. Now, the first thing that you see when you open the box is this mini box inside it. This basically has all the details about the watch. I don't normally go through them, but you surely can. Let's just keep it aside and let's get to the main part. Now, the first thing you notice is the beautiful screen. The screen is AMOLED, and so you can really feel the quality when you see it, and it has aluminum casing all around. It looks really beautiful. Let's put it up. So I have just fast forwarded after I installed the app and also downloaded the latest version of the software. So I just played around with the watch faces and now I'm just swiping profusely to see the features. And you have many features, even Alexa. So this watch is really packed. You can see there's a workout option. You can track your sleep, your SpO2, even your breathing, which is so helpful. And of course you have your alarm. So these are some of the watch faces, and you can download more from the app. I'm clearly enjoying myself. So let's go with this. I will change it back again. So this is a new one that I downloaded from the app. It was cute. What do you think? So you can have an always on display, and let me show you how you have to press this on and you have it. Very simple. Here you have your charger. It's a magnetic wireless charger, so I find opening this stuff so satisfying. Overall, I think I'm in love with this watch, and I will surely make a video on how I plan to use this watch and what are the most useful features of this watch. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.